We live in a time where it is an act of resistance to live simply. To live simply in the 21st century, in this consumeristic, globalized, industrialized system, actually takes a lot of critical thinking. It takes a lot of problem solving. It takes a lot of deep analyzation and examination of our lives. This is really the key to having a highly functioning tiny house, really having a highly functioning living situation, and really, having a life that works. When you're designing your tiny house and you're designing your living situation, zoom out and really look at who you are and what you want to be and what you want to become and how you want to be living, and incorporate that in. Your house should reflect your life as a whole if you're going to really love the place that you live. And the idea is that it doesn't cost you money, it saves you money. I'm excited to share this experience with you and share these tips and these lessons to help you down your journey of living more simply and more sustainably in a structure that works with this earth rather than against it.